How to check your total hours listened on Spotify.
Hello, music lovers! Today, we're going to tackle an interesting feature of Spotify, checking your total hours listened. Yes, you've heard it right. If you're curious to know how many hours you've spent rocking to your favorite tunes, stay tuned. Let's dive into the step-by-step process of revealing your total listening hours on Spotify.
What do we need to check total hours?
Before we start, let's clarify. Spotify itself doesn't provide an option to see your total hours listened directly. However, it does generate an annual, wrapped report where you can see your total minutes listened for that particular year. This feature is typically available at the end of the year.
How to check annual listening hours.
Even though Spotify doesn't show total listening hours directly, the annual, wrapped report can still give you a good indication. Here's how you do it. 1. Open your Spotify app on your mobile device. 2. Scroll down the Home tab to find the Wrapped banner. Remember, this is usually available at the end of the year. 3. Tap on it and go through the slides. You will find your total minutes listened to for that year in one of the slides. Remember, these are minutes, not hours. To convert the minutes to hours, simply divide the total minutes by 60.
Are there other ways?
While Spotify doesn't provide total hours listened outside of the annual report, some third-party apps and websites offer similar services using Spotify's API. Be cautious, though. Always make sure to check their privacy policies and terms of service before connecting your Spotify account to avoid any potential privacy issues. That's it, folks. Now you know how to check your total hours listened on Spotify, or at least get a good idea based on the annual report. Remember, it's not just about the numbers. What matters the most is enjoying the music. Keep those tunes flowing and happy listening.